Hello everyone, this is CM Khaled Saifullah. Today I'm going to demonstrate the tool COSTER, that stands for Context Sensitive Tab Solver. To install and use the tool, we have made an Eclipse plugin available. The Eclipse plugin can be run on any of the Eclipse version listed on our websites. Also, we support all 3 operating systems. And to install the tool, you need to have at least JDK 8 installed in your machine. To install the Eclipse plugin, you have to go to the Eclipse Marketplace from help within your IDE, and then you have to just simply write COSTER and you will find COSTER at the first place. You have to just hit the install button and the COSTER Eclipse plugin will install within your IDE. The COSTER plugin is installed within my IDEs. However, to use any of the feature of the COSTER, first we need to configure it. To do that, we need to go to the COSTER preference page. There are a couple of options that you can use. However, the most important one to configure the COSTER plugin is to provide the path of the supplementary files. The supplementary files are shown in our website. You can simply download the files and unzip and just show the path using the browse. This is our supplementary files directory. I simply give the path of the supplementary files and then I can configure it. However, you have other options such as number of suggestions, what types of method you can use for the context similarity or name similarity, and some other parameters for training. Let's start with our first feature of COSTER, which is fix import. Let us consider a software developer Alice wants to find a solution from the online where she can convert her time from millisecond to seconds when she changed the time zone. She found a code in the Stack Overflow that might be the potential solution to her problem. She simply copies the code and she pastes it within her code base. You can see there are a couple of errors showing in different lines, and those are most specific to the APIs. If you hover on any of the APIs, you can see the Eclipse try to suggest some suggestion so that she can remove the error from that line or from that API. Let's start with the first one, where Eclipse is suggesting that if she imports java.time.format.datetime formatter, she can solve the problem. So she did that. Now for the other problems, Eclipse is giving some other problems rather than saying which import statement she need to import. You can see here it is saying change to some other libraries, maybe that will work. That means now Alice is stuck with Eclipse because Eclipse is not giving the suggestion she wants. What happens if she wants to use our tool COSTER? Just after pasting the code, she needs to click the fix import and the COSTER tool will try to map the APIs with the fully qualified name and will automatically complete the import statement along with giving some suggestion of libraries along with the version. After clicking the import button, the tool add time library to the class path, and thus the error and the import statements are now gone. However, COSTER misses some of the import statement. That's why still there are some errors and the code is not compilable. But since time library is now in class path, now Eclipse can give the exact import statement she wants to make the code compilable. And just by clicking the Eclipse suggestion, the Alice can now run the code without any error. It shows our proposed tool COSTER is not only mapping the correct API elements with the fully qualified name, also enhance the capability of IDE such as Eclipse to provide the useful suggestion to make the online code compilable. Along with the fix import features, we also provide some other features. For example, import tabs where you can paste the source online code here. For example, let's say I can copy the code and paste it here, and I can click the infer button and it lists down all the APIs involved within that code segment with the fully qualified name of each in a table structure. Besides, we have the training model features where the user can train or personalize the retrain our COSTER within the Eclipse plugin. This is what our Eclipse plugin tool is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.